the number one thing you need in your business. Starting a business can be the easiest way to quit working for someone else and create your own financial freedom. But as a millionaire entrepreneur, I have learned some really tough lessons, some hard times, and some things where I got my butt kicked. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you exactly what you really need to have a successful business that makes you a millionaire. Let's go.
Noel. Yeah, she can fix that. You gotta get it done, no, you need to do it better. Well, she can fix that, yeah, she can fix that. Investment to get back, trying to get a big stack. She can fix that, let's fix that.
I'm gonna share with you the fastest way to get at least $10,000 for your business. I'm gonna share with you a no-hassle way to get approved for a business loan without using your social security number. I'm gonna give you my #1 trick that my students are using today to get double what I used to get when I first started my business. First things first, if you want more money for your business, you're gonna need a business checking account. North One offers business checking accounts that you can get set up in less than 3 minutes, and you can do it all online. All you do, you open up your browser. You're gonna type in North One, very simple. You're going to then log in and register an account. Opening a new account. As you can see, I'm clicking here. I'm showing you different ways on how you can easily open a new account for yourself and for your business. Your business is going to have to be registered with your state, your Secretary of State, because you actually need a business. Once you have your account all set up, you will see that having a business checking account with North One is amazing and simple. You can actually integrate all of your different merchant processing accounts. For example, if you have PayPal or Stripe, you can integrate that into the account, and those deposits will go directly into your North One account, and then you will not only have statements from your merchant processor like PayPal, Square, or Stripe, you'll also have business checking account statements from North One that you can just pull down digitally. You can just download them, create a PDF of them, and now you have all of your statements in one place. Check out the link below at North One and get your business checking account today. This way you can use your business checking account statements, and many lenders will lend to you with just that information. Get your business checking account today with North One and get this debit card that you can use anywhere in the United States absolutely free. Now back to this video. There are so many benefits to being an entrepreneur. Starting a business was life-changing for me, and it was the best decision that I ever made. I used to work in corporate America 9 to 5, but I never seemed to finish work at 5 p.m. I had to show up when they told me. I had to leave when they told me. I couldn't leave when my work was done. My income was capped at a certain level, and I never was able to just have the freedom to work when I wanted to. Now that I'm an entrepreneur, I get to pick my own clients. I get to set my own schedule. I decide who and when I work with, and my income has no limits on it. There are years where I have made nearly $7 million, and there's years that I have chilled out and made less than $500,000. It's my decision. I get to do what it is that I want to do. But what you need to know is I've always made more as an entrepreneur than I ever did working a job. There's almost no way that you're going to become a millionaire working for someone else. So starting a business can be the best way to truly change your life. It's not always going to be easy, but I promise you it's going to be worth it. So let me tell you the one thing that you need to do so that you can take your business to a whole new level. Most businesses fail, and I'm going to tell you why. Did you know that 50% of all businesses fail within the first 5 years? Well, the reason for that is because most businesses say that they did not have enough capital. I can truly relate to this. Like I said, I used to work in corporate America, and I had to replace my 6-figure income with my own business. This was a tough feat for me, and I really felt some panic attacks when I first quit my job. And the reason why is because I was used to having a steady paycheck. You know, every 2 weeks I would get my direct deposit, and I had set my bills to be paid at a certain time. I had really got used to that same schedule, and not having money exactly at the same time each month was causing me some major anxiety. Think about it for a second. When you start your business and you have clients or products, you're not going to be able to predict when the money comes in. There's going to be months when you make way more than you did at your job, but then there's going to be times when you're making less than you did at a job. This is why most people never quit their job, because they were afraid of that up and down, and it really can cause some anxiety. And so that happens with people's businesses, and they usually end up running back to a job or closing down the business altogether. But you don't have to do that. There are ways that I have learned in my business that I'm going to teach you today so that you don't have those anxieties and you're able to weather the storm when your income is going up and down as you become profitable in your business. It can happen, but it will take time. Usually it takes about 2 years before you can get your business profitable. Just think about it. Amazon wasn't profitable for 9 years. What do you think Jeff Bezos did? Well, I'm going to tell you the answer. He borrowed money in the business's name, and I'm going to teach you how you can do that exact same thing really easily. Whoa, I'm giving some great information here. You need to subscribe to this channel and make sure you click that little notification bell. I'm going to 1 million subscribers and I am rewarding you along the way. I'm giving out cash prizes and I'm even giving out a car to one of my subscribers. So click that notification bell, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and watch for more chances for all of these giveaways because we're going straight to the top. So one of the things that I learned after starting my business is that it's really easy to build business credit. Now, I did not know that when I first got started, but my students are taking advantage of what I didn't know today and getting hundreds of thousands of dollars in their business's name immediately, sometimes before they even quit their jobs. This way, you have the capital and the reserves so that your business is successful, and when your income is going up and down, you have reserves and capital to really grow your business. Additionally, you're not under stress to pay your bills because you have that money saved and it's not your own money that you're working to save so that you can quit the job. Additionally, when you get this business credit built and you get business funding, you can grow your business so much faster because now you have money for marketing. You literally can run ads. You literally can put out flyers and tell people about your business, buy shirts with logos on them and promote you and your business so that you get even more business. Most people can't grow their businesses because they don't even have the money to advertise or market their business. But just imagine if someone gave you $10,000 in your business's name without using your social security number. How many Facebook ads could you run? Quite a bit. Literally, I've started my business using $500 a month in Facebook ads, and I've been able to make 10 times that amount with just a small budget. So just think, $10,000 in Facebook ads really does go far. Building business credit is a really simple process. Once you have a legitimate business, meaning an LLC, an S Corp, or a C Corp registered with the Secretary of State, your EIN, which is your employer identification number, your professional website, a professional email, and a professional phone number, with just those 5 things, you can start getting funding and building business credit. There are tons of companies that lend to businesses, even startups, so long as they see that you're a professional business. Most people can't get business funding because they fail to do one of those 5 things that I said. And again, you can get those things done in just 1 day and with an investment of less than $500. Additionally, you can do all of this while you still have a job. Just think about it. You can literally have a job, have income coming in, build a business, get hundreds of thousands of dollars in business funding, and then quit your job and go on to be a successful entrepreneur. It's an amazing plan that I have my students on right now, and they're able to build and grow their businesses faster than I ever could. It's a simple plan that you can do, and I'm teaching you exactly how to do it. As a bonus, one of the things that you need to do that's super easy so that you can get approved for business funding is get a business checking account. You literally can get a business checking account with North One Banking. It's this online bank that I recommend all the time because I absolutely love it. It's an online bank and you can set up that account, a business checking account, in less than 3 minutes. You even get a free debit card that you can use all over the country at thousands of ATM machines. You even can hook your North One checking account up to your QuickBooks, your PayPal, your Stripe, your Square, and use those merchant processing statements and those business checking account statements to get funds for your business in less than 3 months. It's an amazing way to get funding for your business, and getting a business checking account will really set you apart from everyone else and help you get those big business lines of credit and those business credit cards like American Express. I just want to make sure that you have all of the resources, all of the tools, and all of the knowledge that you need to be successful. This is Noelle. To your success.